Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to determine whether your laptop battery is working well or in good condition by looking at the LED. Okay, so in this example, I'm using Dell Inspiron 1440. So as you can see earlier, there is a light indicator, no? A white light indicator if the battery is good, no? So if it is bad, it will blink orange, just like this one. It blinks orange. Okay, the light in the LED is orange. This means that the battery is bad. It needs to be replaced with a new one. So when you encounter your laptop, when you plug with your adapter and then the display like this one blinking orange simultaneously, it means that when you open your laptop, if there is a power interruption, automatically your laptop will be shut down automatically. It works like a desktop computer rather than a laptop because the battery is already drained and does not charge. So one of the remedy that I advise you guys know is to replace the battery immediately so that your laptop will serve you well and works effectively, no? So by observing without opening, no, or running windows, you can easily conclude that your battery is bad and need to be replaced by this indicator, no? So in this example, I my laptop is Dell Inspiron 1440 series. So maybe if it is similar to your laptop, the indicator must be the same. So that's it guys, no? So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.